crazy. She wanted me crazy. The bitches are baby. I'm fucking house. I'm 730. In the pet, I can't cut it. I smoked up, I can't cut it. So get the slugs from me.
What's good, you guys? It's Marsh here, and we're back with the S2000 today. We're gonna be doing a fun, quick little cheap mod for the S. Yeah, we just got done washing it. Believe it or not, that was the inaugural wash for this car since I got it painted. I haven't washed the car since I got it. It's been like 2 months. That was the first wash ever for the white S since I got it finished. Yeah, let me show you guys what we're doing. Just got this in today. It's just the OEM replica eBay S2000 little trunk lid here. Initially, I wanted to leave the back kind of naked, just like really clean OEM kind of look. But now that I've had it, it looks a little too naked compared to the rest of the car. Especially once I throw the rear diffuser on here. I have a rear Voltex diffuser that I'm just being lazy and not putting on the back of the car. I was like, I was looking at this thing on eBay. It's only $120, so let's open it up and check it out. Yeah, 120 bucks shipped. The reason I got it is, as you guys can see, they come pre-painted, and this paint job is good. It's got a nice paint job on there. We'll see how well it matches when I throw it on my car. So I thought, why not get another model on the car, something else on the car, pre-painted, convenient. So I don't know, I haven't looked up how to install this, but I'm just assuming I'm just gonna put this double-sided tape it comes with, throw it on the back of the car. Boom. Alright, you guys, so as you guys saw, we just kind of followed the edge here. Yeah, should be good. You can screw them in. See, there's 2 screws, but I don't want to drill into my trunk. There's no way. I don't know, there's no way I think that this tape doesn't hold this on there. It weighs nothing. Yeah, I don't see why it wouldn't be strong enough with just this, so we're gonna get this on there. Pretty simple, just gonna peel this off and then stick it on the back of my car right now. Bam. All right, you guys, so there she is. It's all on there. But yeah, this thing is not going anywhere. I don't see why you would need to screw this in. But yeah, the way you normally do these OEM stuff, they come with the 2 screws that you put on each side with the tape. But I think the tape's good enough. Yeah, but there she is. OEM style spoiler, $120. Let me pull out the car and then check it out in the sun. All right, you guys, there you have it. There's the wing on in the sun. I think it really kind of completes the look. It really especially makes the side profile a lot nicer. Like from here, it's just such a nicer profile on the car, and it's kind of like, it's a nice little subtle thing on there for 120 bucks. Man, I think, yeah, this is probably the best budget mod, like for the price. It's $120. They come painted. You don't have to like go to your body shop. The fitment is really good. Just double-sided tape on there. As you guys can see, look at that paint match. It's pretty spot on. So yeah, for $120. It says it ships in takes a week, but it came in 5 days, so shipping is crazy fast from Taiwan, I think. But yeah, little fake OEM spoiler. Probably the best budget mod that you can do to your car. It's not tacky, and it's an actual, like, real cosmetic mod on there, and it looks good on the car. It kind of completes the back. Just nice little subtle thing, you know. Nothing crazy. Guys, that's gonna do it in today's video. Super quick one. Just yeah, cheap, little fun, convenient. Probably the best little cosmetic mod you can throw on an S for 120 bucks. It's not tacky, it looks good. Yeah. So if you guys want it, I mean, just type it on eBay, whatever your S2000 OEM style thing, and you'll find it. It's super good. Takes only like 5-6 days to ship, which is kind of crazy. So yeah, you guys made it this far. Thanks for watching. Next time, peace. All right, track day. We're taking all the street cars. It's streetcar track day.
Streetcar track day.
I'm gonna bring this car that yeah, I bought this car. This car, we're tracking this one, so we'll see you guys at the track.
That sounds weird. Like it? Well, that's like. I think it's the cross. I heard it while I was like.
Yeah, so we're at the station. We're late as usual. Those cars making a weird noise. Brandon's driving this car today. It's one of those S2000 things.
Break 130, that'd be cool.
Yeah, anyways, Z4M, BBK, TEs. That's it. S2000. Has a single exit bumper cut. Yeah, but my ITR wasn't ready, so putting all new suspension on that car, but it wasn't ready for today, so we're driving this car. Bought this like 2 weeks ago. I'm gonna see how it does on the track. Alright, so bad news, you know, Philip's gotta go. He can't drive because that doesn't sound good. Yeah. Get
First
to drive the
session?
Miata.
First session for Marsh, second session for me, I spun out.
Get to drive this sick ass Miata with 2 dudes in it, top down.
Can we play Miley Cyrus in the car?
Should be bumping at
USA?
least some sort of EDM, you know.
What's your goal for time?
I don't even want to break 130.
Yeah.
I should be able to break 130.
Alright, well, we'll see. It rotates pretty well.
This car drives well though.
Right? It's like, for what it is, it's just like, oh shit, you can put a real good time in stock. Go, 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 go. Oh, they all left. Weird. Alright, Mars, let's see it. Oh, he's driving pretty tame.
first lunch break. Unfortunately, Philip went home a while ago because his car is not great. So just he can get home. Just had lunch. It's funny because
I'm also.
Brandon and I are driving the same speed. So first time we have cars out of the same speed. But
Halfway.
little Miata and this, I shouldn't really be the same speed as Brandon, but I don't want to push this thing.
We really are like the same.
Just
speed.
chilling.
We're
Yeah.
the same
Yeah,
speed.
Brandon did a 35 and I did a 34.9.
Yeah.
I did 34.9, Brandon at 35. Yeah, so we're just waiting for the track to open up again. Did
Just
some
chilling,
oil, hanging out, having fun.
Look at the cars.
But yeah, we show some cars.
Mostly the little
Boost
car.
blue. Can look at this car. It's the coolest car
It
here.
really is.
No, the 240Z was cool.
Oh, the one over on that end.
Yeah. Look at this. Yeah. I don't even think I need to make a video because
I feel like
this
that
car
was
was here last time.
No, I said hi to him. I was like, I remember you. I was like, what are you doing?
He added this.
Yeah.
The CE SLs. Man, this steering wheel is nice.
Except the
The
not
limited
Taurus
one.
stock
Well, that's
steering.
stock. Stock interior.
Fire. Oh, it's number 333. That's a good number.